trying his first grits. What do you think, little sweetie? You like them? Look at Daddy. Johnny, try your grits. Do you like the grits? Are they yum tummy? Where are you going? Johnny. Johnny, this is for Nana. Look at Mama. This is for Nana. Try the grits. Like the grits, Johnny. Come on. Numma. You think? Okay. You like your grits. Ba, 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 ba. Say hi to Nana. Johnny, say hi to Nana. Say, I like grits, Nana. I like grits.